Hello viewers, check out this very unique, rare and special machine. It's a JDM legend called the 1JZ Verosa. Hello, it's Phil Lee from SunRIseCars, and it believes it's hot today. I've got my hat on, but I'm excited. This is special. Number one, this is a very limited production car in Japan. This was an exclusive car on the JZX110 platform. So this is very, very similar to a Mark II or the new Chaser. But it's got this fantastic styling, and this is super unique because check this out: 3 pedals and a wobbly stick in the middle. This is very, very special. I love this bad boy. It's a Verosa 1JZ turbo, and it's an absolute weapon to drive. It's a straight 6 2.5 litre, same engine as the Chaser, same gearbox, R154, and this is a factory manual. I'll just say that again because there's loads of conversions done on these things in Japan, because 98% of them are automatics. This is a factory manual R154 gearbox, so everything is from the Toyota factory. There's nothing been done in a garage. This is how it rolled off the factory floor, and this is a mint car. It's a non-accident car, it's a non-smoker's car, it's a genuine crazy low mileage car. Check that out, very low mileage. Look at the steering wheel, this is like new. 10-2. Some old dudes own this, I think. It's very, very immaculate. Original floor mats, original door cards. Look at the badging here. All the sides of the seats are nice. Electric seats. Just beautiful. I love the curves on this. This is really a Mark II. Is a good looking car. It's got kind of square lines. This is someone in the design team said, hey, let's go back to curves, baby. And you can buy this without the TRD body kit. So this has got a TRD front end, TRD skirts, TRD rear valance, TRD rear wing. This is the one to get. This looks really beautiful. Without that body kit, I think they look kind of a little bit weird and naked, but the body kit just makes it look muscular. Those rear curved muscular haunches are gorgeous. I really love the lines on this, and it's got the performance. This is really the new Chaser in its design platform. So this is a very fast car. You can use this for motorsports, for drifting, or take the family in it. That's the other badge here that we look for, the R25. As I walk around this car, I cannot find a single mark or scratch on it. It's truly stunning. It's got these beautiful VS American racing wheels on it. If this was mine, I'd put a really good set of coilovers on it, and I'd just drop it a little bit. At the moment, I think Grandpa's been driving this car in Japan. Maybe I'll fit a front mount and an exhaust, and that's it. I wouldn't touch it. It's beautiful. I love these pedals. Look at that. I'll show you the engine bay. It's a non-smoker's car, non-accident car. You get Japanese D-Reg papers when you buy this car, so we know it's genuine. Low-K. It's got clear headlights. I love this. This is just beautiful. This is I don't know, it's a bit of a work of art. Look, the little small holes, and they get bigger into the middle. It's just really lovely. Whoa! There we go. Check that. That's the heart of gold. This is the most tunable motor to ever come out of Japan. This bad boy, you can quadruple the horsepower out of it with stock internals, and it will hang together. This is stock as a rock, baby, untouched. She's ready to be lightly breathed upon, just to wake her up. Very low mileage. It's ready for, I don't know, just needs a little someone to own this, to just take it to the next level. It's a gorgeous car. 5-speed manual from the factory. If you like what you see, give us a call at Edward Lee's and SunRIseCars. Check out the price on our website, www.sunrisecars.com.au. This is really sensibly priced. You can buy this car for the same price as an absolute, excuse the French, shitbox chaser that's older and completely shagged by some boy racer. This is way less than some manual conversion chaser that's been drifted and belted in Japan. This is just next level, and it's cheaper to buy. So I reckon this is a smart buy. Tell me what you think. I could be wrong, but I know I'm not. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off. Phil Lee from Edward Lee's SunRIseCars, having fun today. Thanks for watching this vid.